Hello guys. Right, now it's time for the Primark. So there's Primark, there's Superdrug, and I think TK Maxx, and I think that's everything. So, comes in a bag like that. It's quite heavy. Sorry about the rip bag and everything. Yeah, it's quite heavy. We'll show you Primark first. I think there's only one thing from there. So I get mum jeans that go over your tummy. So I got a pair. They are a little bit big because I got a size 18 and they were only £5 down from 14. Otherwise I probably wouldn't have bought them, but you can never have too many jeans, as Louise said. And she was like, oh, I found mum jeans. She said, they're the ones you get, aren't they? And I said, yeah. I'm almost sure these aren't the same ones though that I've got last time that I got them. Almost sure they aren't. And I measured these against a size 16 and literally there were more than 2 inches gap, so I knew the 16 probably wouldn't fit. It's like my mum said, you're in between sizes. So yeah, I've got them if they want to fold over. I did get some wipes as well. I was like saying, I just feel like taking this makeup off, everything except the eyeshadows, because, or the eyeshadow should I say, just because I was burning up in Primark so much. £1.30. Oh, you do get 3 packets though. 15 in each pack. So these are the Gentle Cleanse facial cleansing wipes. Now I don't normally use these for cleansing, but since they are that, then I'd have no trouble using them for cleansing. It says it's for sensitive skin, enriched with pro-vitamin B5, cleanses and lifts away impurities, moisturises, fragrance-free. I'd have to double cleanse those still. So yeah, I would use that. Tells you not to flush them. Tells you that the vegan wipes are made using plant-derived fibres. They sound like really nice ones. They need to go in the bathroom. Oh, sorry, I tell a little white lie. I went to Boots as well because I needed some hair mousse. And I went for the cheapest one. I wanted the John Frieda, I think Dream Curls. I think it's called Dream Curls. I'll leave it around here somewhere. But it was £8.95 and I'm like, I don't have the money to be paying £8.95 for a hair mousse when I've got food and gas and electric to buy. So I needed a hair mousse because I've only got a little bit left in my other one. And I saw this. Is there a receipt in there? There might be a receipt in there. But it wasn't more than £6. It was £5, something or other. So it's the Umberto Giannini Curl Foam Anti-Frizz Styling Mousse. Moisture-infused definition with conditioning wheat proteins and vitamin B for a natural and weightless feel. And it's for wavy, curly and coily hair. So pretty much every type of hair. As long as you've got some texture to your hair, you'd be able to use it. Now, I've got some Umberto Giannini in the bathroom, but I don't think I've ever tried this before. If I have, I can't remember what I think of it. So I got that. That's my TK Maxx receipt. I want to tell you what I paid for it. Or was it this one? No, that's my McDonald's receipt. Doesn't look like it's in there. Anyway, it doesn't matter. So next up is Superdrug. Right, so I know I'm on the makeup no-buy, but literally, guys, I saw this by Freena. It's just an eyeliner. It's not an eyeliner that, you know, I don't have this kind of shade, and that's why I wanted it. So it was on clearance before at £3, and then it went to clearance at £1.50. But they're worth £15. This shade is what? It says Freena 123, the 24-hour automatic eye pencil. It's a 24-hour retractable eye pencil. Cruelty-free, made in Europe, vegan. It's not giving me the shade name, if there is a shade name. Is it on the pencil? No. Just like this greeny, goldy mustard shade. It's very, very nice. I'm going to do a swatch. and it literally doesn't come off. I'm going to have a shower later and I bet it's still on. It's just really, really nice. And like I said, I don't have one like this. So that will go in with my eyeshadow pencils. So I'm kind of on a replacement no-buy. This isn't a replacement for anything. But say I run out of a mascara, I will go out and get a new mascara. Say I run out of skincare, I'll go out and get new skincare. Say I run out of, I mean, I'm sure you know where I'm going at this point. A facial spray, same will happen there. And again with haircare, same thing will happen there. But like skincare and haircare, I have noticed I don't go through it that quick. So yeah, it's a case of that. And then I got some earrings. These are so pretty. So that's what they look like. I'm not putting them in, but I'll show you. I'm not putting them in because I'm doing chores in a minute. So that's what they look like. I just love the little pattern to it there. It's so, so pretty. So I didn't even know Superdrug had their own jewellery line. So that's really nice. And I'll definitely buy jewellery from them in the future. Another piece of jewellery is coming from Boho Moon, and I've been looking at their site. At the moment they've got things for £10. I think it's a summer sale, and I bought something off there, just one piece, because I said to my mum, I said I'm only going to buy one piece. There was quite a few pieces that I would have liked to have bought, but I said to my mum, I need to know what the quality of the jewellery is like before I start just buying lots here and there. So, yeah, the piece that I bought should have been £28 and I paid £10 for it with shipping. So, that's cool. Let's put the earrings on there. And then there's just one more thing from TK Maxx. I could not leave the store. Like, if you don't know, guys, my favourite season is fall. And how could I leave the store without purchasing this? I think I didn't know what I was going to put in there at first. Now, if you don't know, I use this one for my water. It's a Starbucks and Walt Disney World tumbler. It cost me a fortune, so I use it every day. And this one, I think I'm going to be using it for lattes. My mum said, just be very, very careful because anything could get into this wood. So, you know, it could get stained very easily. Just be careful how you're washing it, etc. She was just being a mum. But yeah, this is really, really pretty. Hand painted. I mean, I could even take the lid off and just put like makeup brushes in here, but I don't want to do that. I want to drink out of it. I bought it to drink out of it, so that's what I'm going to do. So it just says our price $4.99. I think that's just the general price of it. And the straw, I would say, yeah, the straw's plastic, whereas this part of it is glass, and then the leaves are painted on. I just cannot wait to see this on the street. When I'm walking on the street, I can't wait to see all the autumn leaves. So who out there is a fall girly like me? Leave it in the comments. This is the haul, 7 minutes long, not many products here. A few more than I actually thought, The only other thing that I got was I'll tell you, from McDonald's. The prices for their lattes is disgusting. I got one large iced latte and it was £2.79. I can get the same. It's not really a large one and it doesn't have ice in it, but I can get pretty much the same from Heaven Foods and that's less than £1. But I wanted to chill out for half an hour before Louise got a train back into Manchester. What else? Primark. Oh yeah. What I spent in Primark, oh my gosh, they charged me 15p for that paper bag that ripped. Mum jeans, £5, and then the triple travel wipes were £1.30, so that was £6.45 in total. It's practically unheard of for me to spend £6.45 in Primark. I did see this gorgeous blue dress. It was like a waistcoat dress, had buttons going all the way down it. It was like a royal blue. It was only £7 and I was tempted to get that. I tried it on and the fit just wasn't right. It did fit, but it just didn't, if you know what I mean. It didn't look right, so I decided not to get that. And then I had a look at this other thing. It was like a waistcoat and it had like ties, and I didn't like the way that looked on me either, so I left both of those. So I did well. I didn't buy an awful lot. Anyway, guys, thank you for watching today. It means a lot. If you're not already subscribed, please hit that subscribe button, like and comment, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye, guys.